welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm already wearing my PJs right now because I'm about to go to sleep. But before anything else in this video, I'm going to share to you my night skincare routine.
A few moments later.
I already washed my face, and the next thing to do is that you should fix your hair so it will not touch your skin. Did you know that one of the causes of our skin irritation is our hair? Because it catches dust and pollution from outside. So better prevent it from touching your face. As for your soap, please only use mild and antibacterial soap for your face. As for me, I'm using either Bioderm, Shield, or Safeguard, not only in my face but for the whole body. I also prefer using papaya soap, but practically madali lang siyang matunaw at madali lang siyang maubos, so I just seldomly use it. But for those who have pimple breakouts, especially yung mga severe na, I recommend you to use Dr. Wong Sulfur Soap, the one with the yellow packaging, kasi napaka-effective niya and madali yung healing process. I once used it before nung nagkaroon ako ng maraming tigyawat sa mukha. Next, I'm using toner because it's undeniable that there are parts of our body, our face, who is uneven. So may mga part na maputi, mayroon ding mga part na itim. So you should apply it in upward position. So under your eye, in your forehead, in your eyes. So what I like about Bella's toner is that hindi siya mahapde. Hindi siya mahapde sa mukha. And it's cheap. I just got it in Watson for, I guess, 70 plus. Also, include your neck kasi baka yung mukha lang natin yung maputi tapos yung neck natin is maitim. Next is we are going to apply moisturizer. So I White Aqua Moisturizer Glow. So I also got this from Watson. I used to have a dry skin but oily sa nose na part. Now it really helps me hydrates my skin. Now, as you know, sa tawagan sa school namin, napakainit. And then because of that, I observe na parang nangungunot yung mukha ko sa init. So thanks to this product, nag-improve yung facial skin ko, and thanks to my sister Doveme for influencing me to use this. I've been practicing this skincare routine for almost a year now, and there's a big improvement po sa skin ko. So this product is very helpful. It comes with different packaging. So this one is with berry complex, that's why it's pink. So meron din blue nito, meron din parang white tapos combination ng blue, and then yung meron blue tapos ito yung pink. So aside from that, it also brightens your face, and then pwede din siyang gamitin before makeup or pwede din sa gabi. Next, I'm going to share to you my secret bakit wala na akong masyadong pimples, or kung meron man is madali siyang mag-heal and hindi na siya sikat niya. So I'm using this Quick Fix Pimple Eraser. This product is very amazing and very effective. So I usually got my pimples under my chin because of hormonal imbalance. So mag-a-appear siya either before menstruation, during or after. Now, guys, please be mindful of your pimples because it can also stand as an indicator. So as what I've mentioned, pag sa may chin part siya, meaning hormonal imbalance. Pag sa cheeks naman, maybe sa unan, sa cellphone, especially ngayon na nagmamask tayo. So, it's called mask knee na, hindi ba? So, pwedeng ganun din. Tapos, pag dito naman sa my nose, meaning oily skin. Pag dito naman sa forehead, meaning you're stressed, you're tired, and many more. So, I will just insert some part of here. Yung reasons ng and causes of your acne. So, noon, I just put it on the part na may acne. But, after I researched the active ingredient of this product, which is salicylic acid, I apply it in my whole face. Now, salicylic acid helps our skin to be reborn or renewed kasi napapalitan niya pinapalitan niya yung dead skin cells into new. So, parang catalyst siya na mag-change skin. And then, nag-exfoliate siya pero you can barely feel the exfoliation. Yung parang nakukuha siya. Parang nakukuha mo na lang siya pag when you wash your face. So, as you can see, I only have acne marks with my last pimples after my period. So, other than that, like in my forehead, another part of my face, wala na siya. Kasi, pag may nag-appear na pimples, salagin ko lang siya, and then, mawawala siya agad. Now, for the last part, I'm using the skin mattifying mist because it really helps in reducing excess oil in my skin. So, shine-free siya. I always bring this with me, especially kung feel ko na oily yung skin ko. So, parang oily na akong tingnan. I just spray it around my face and then wait for 20 seconds and then I'm good. So just have it. So, spray lang natin siya. And then, wait for 20 seconds. Pwede mo din siyang i-pat para madali siyang ma-absorb sa skin.
A few inches later.
That's it for our skincare routine. Aside from that, to make our skin healthy, always hydrate yourself. As for me, I make sure that I drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day because it really helps a lot. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Share this to your friends to remind them to take care of themselves. Also, let me know your thoughts and follow me on our Facebook page, Momly Vlogs. And for more videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button to get updated with our videos. Good night!